Food is caring, joy, love, connection. Food is all of us. However, not all food is created equally. 2.4 billion people lack access to clean cooking. How do they cook? Not electric, not gas. They rely on wood and charcoal fires, a Stone Age technology, with serious consequences. Deforestation, climate change, household air pollution, cycles of poverty. But Practi has the solution. The Practi Air. Instead of replacing their traditional stove, we improve it, making it cleaner, hotter, and more efficient. A space-age technology, serving those who don't fly. Practi, smart stoves for smart cooks.